This lighting is not my friend. Look at this smoky eye I did. Okay, let me get to the point. Hey, baby. Hi, baby. My baby. So pretty. Guys, I am making progress. I know it may not look like it, but okay, first of all, I have barely vlogged. Maybe I did one clip. That's beside the point. Welcome to a vlog. So this is just a sneak peek because I will do like a total like makeup collection beauty room thing when I have it organized, but I'm making progress. We've got cream liners. We've got liquid glitters. We've got glitters. We've got pigments. We've got, oh my, single eyeshadows, tiny trios, that type of thing. This will need to be decluttered, but I just went ahead and stored it. We've got new lashes, new mascaras, it was going to be new brows, but it just kind of spilled over. So new eyes, new lip pencils, new eyeliners. I'm going to go through, by the way, I'm going to go through eyeliners soon because I need to get rid of a bunch of old and actually start using some of this new. So I'll kind of like swap out. Tiny palettes. Bigger small palettes. Even bigger palettes. So I'm making progress. I'm working on it. I'm getting there. And then I kind of redid a little bit of this behind me. I've got MAC Jeffree Star. We got little Sally. Hi. Hi, little one. Little tiny girl. And guys, she is, I mean, going on 3 years old. And she's just the size of like a big kitten. Always turns yellow. Okay, so the point of me vlogging is because I got a fun package. Really, bro? Hold on, I gotta open it. Thought it would be opened. Now we're cooking. So we've got a package from Jeffree Star. Yay! So I got the Jawbreaker bundle. So I've got the big palette and the mini palette because it was a good deal to get both. I got the bundle of lips and then I got the pineapple juice lip scrub. Ooh, I love the color, this like green chartreuse, whatever this is called. So I just want to show you guys really quick because I'm excited. I'm so excited. Can I do it one-handed? I guess I can. Oh my god, she is massive. Okay, so here I want to open the big one. I'm doing pretty well one-handed. Hey. Okay, please don't let anything be broken. They always package it really well. I've never had any issues, but you never know. It's so pretty. Ooh, got a little dusty here, but that's it. It's gorgeous. And here they are. I didn't know how I would feel about this because it's got a lot of purple, but that orange crush. Is it showing you guys how glittery it is? Oh my goodness. I'm so excited to play with these. I think I'm going to film tomorrow morning before work. I'll have to leave here at like 11, so I'll probably start filming around 9. Yeah, but look how gorgeous. Hi, Mina. Hey, baby. What you doing? Yeah. Miss Aminas. Hey, buddy. Hey, what was that? You okay? You okay? My goodness. Look at that boy. We got one baby left. Sneevies! Hi! Did you miss me? She's like, hell no. You didn't miss me, Fluffers? My little sniffer Fluffers? I love you. Man, the lighting in here is crap. But anyway, I am home. I worked 9 to 6 today. It was a long day. Also did like this dark green smoky eye, which I kind of like. I know you guys can't see it that well, but I used that Space Case eyeshadow. I think I added it onto my Ipsy bag, and it's in the shade Messy Loch Nessie. I love it so much. Also, this is my, oh my god, what are they called? I just forgot. Yummy World. This is my Yummy World coffee. He's big. I love him. So anyway, I'm about to get comfortable. I'm actually going to film my nighttime skincare routine. That will already be up. So I know a lot of you guys have questions occasionally about what skincare I use, and I don't know why you'd ask right now. Look at that. But I went in this morning with my morning skincare routine. So I'm about to break down my nighttime skincare routine and show you guys what that looks like. So if you're interested and haven't seen that video, it will be linked below, of course, as all with all my recent videos. But I really break down everything that I do, everything that I find to be most important. And yeah, I'm just going to show you what I do for my nighttime skincare. Also, the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker collection, I should have already put that video up before you see this one. I'm so close to 12,000 too. I am going to do a giveaway when I hit 12,000. I've already got some of the items and I'm going to get a couple more, but exciting because I'm going to do a giveaway and it's got a Anastasia palette in it already. I know that, and more to come on that. So thank you guys for watching so far. I will definitely vlog more on tomorrow and Monday as I do a little bit more, but that's it for now, and I hope you guys are doing amazing. I'll talk to you in a bit. Good morning, guys. It is Monday. I am waking up late again. Tomorrow, last night I stayed up a little bit late. I was getting a video up and I just wanted to go ahead and get it done. And then today it is time to put my vlog up, and it's also July 1st. What happened? Also this vlog, I don't know what happened. I have been so busy this week, and then, come on up. Hey Minners, you can do it, buddy. Come on. Come on. You wanna say hi? You wanna say hi, Miss Aminas? Yeah. Hi. Tell us about it. What's the news? What's the news? Yeah. So I failed to vlog a lot. So I think I did like this clip of like decluttering in the beginning, and then I don't know what happened. I just didn't keep vlogging, and then I think I vlogged something yesterday. But this morning I have a few hours before I have to go to work, so I'm about to start my day. I work at, geez, light. I go to work at 2 later in the afternoon. Okay, no cup in there. I gotta choose my cup. I'm gonna do this one. I don't believe in basic. A big cup. But anyway, I go in later. I go in at 2. So I've got a few hours and I want to show you guys a few things. I'm gonna put some stevia. A little bit. Also, I've been doing the best grocery shopping. I've got cauliflower, broccoli, corn, asparagus, spinach, peppers, beans. So yeah, I've been steaming a lot of vegetables, and we got this plate of fruit. I need to clean off the rest of the counter, so don't pay attention, but we got our fruit. We got some mangoes over here, avocado, tomato. But I got this cute little package in Gratis. So like maybe a month ago we were able to pick stuff. So I chose that I was in the color world. I don't know, as a lead I do everything, so it was kind of weird, but we had to kind of say what we did. So I said color, and this is what I got. So I got the Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Liner. I still haven't tried this one yet, and I don't remember if I already have one or if I'm just thinking of like getting another mascara. I got the Gimme Brow from Benefit in the number 3. I'm glad I got this because I have like the little mini guy and I think it's pretty old, so I'm going to swap that out. I got NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I actually got a different shade. Yeah, this is Affogato, and I usually get Chantilly, but I actually think this is going to be a better shade because Chantilly is kind of like a really pale, it's like slightly yellow, but it's just weird. It's just a kind of a strange shade, but it's always kind of worked. I do sometimes mix Chantilly with vanilla, so hopefully that one will be better. I got the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation. I got the shade 1.20, so hopefully that will work. I'm not sure what shades I have. I have little mini bottles that I used when I went to New York, but I can't remember what shades those are. But hopefully 1.20 will be good. And then I have the YSL All Hours Foundation. I have not tried this, of course, and I got the shade BR20, and that one says Cool Ivory, which sounds right. So hopefully this will all work for me. And then if you're wondering, this is like a headband that came with this. So this is a makeup eraser, and it is so cute. There's llamas and cactus on it. Literally like it was made for me. I mean, come on, so adorable. And this is like a headband that it's got like a wire in it, so you just like wrap it around, and then I guess you can tie it in a bow or whatever. But this is the little package I got. I was so excited. And then I also got a little package with some lingerie, and then I got the lingerie push-up from NYX. There's just one shade in that box, so I was going to just show you guys in a little unboxing haul. So that's going to come soon.
I know I talked in my last few vlogs about, well, geez, can we, why is it focusing on my blankets? Okay. It was like locking onto my blankets for some reason. That's weird. So I know I talked to, hello? What is this?
I know I talked in my last few vlogs about what I was going to be doing, like life-wise, location-wise, and everything has just kind of worked out to tell me that I just need to stay here. And that's not a bad thing at all. So I thought about having some things change, but everything just kind of pointed in the direction that it wasn't time, or there wasn't the reason to. So also I love the place where I'm at. My house itself, there's so many things that I love. I do have a small bedroom that I use for my beauty room that I want to continue working on. I have this big open space. Like you guys know, I love this big open space. I've got my big bathtub, and we have an extra bathroom for the kitties. So there's a lot of positives here. The only thing I was considering was moving closer to my parents, but we're not far away. It is just hard when you work all the time, and you guys, I'm sure you can relate, because traveling to see people is tiring. And it's not that you don't want to go, it's just like if you spend hours in the car, that is your entire day off. So usually what happens is I have 2 days off where I'm trying to hustle, I'm trying to do videos, I'm trying to get my house in order, so many things. And then if I spend one of those days going to see them, that's you know, over 3 hours in the car, and it's a long day, and you don't want to go up and only spend a couple hours because you want to stay there. So we've renewed our lease at this house for another year, and I'm not mad at it. Our rent went up a little bit, but just a tiny bit. And I just want to work on getting everything in a better state. I mean, everything's good, but you know, it could always be better. So making sure that my finances are good, save some more money. I really, again, of course, I want to dedicate more time to videos and grow that if possible. But that also takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of dedication. And, you know, I know that it just looks like I film a video and I put it up and all of that, but it usually means that every night that I come home from work, I'm still working. I enjoy the work much more, so I'm not like, oh my god, it's so hard. That's the work I enjoy. And then, you know, on my days off, I'm working, maybe not the whole day, but I am. And, you know, it is the work that I love. So I love making videos, and I still want to strive to do more and do better. So that's what's going on. So not much will change here. Ow! Miners just bit my finger. May we help you? Why are you biting me? Hey. Why are you biting me, buddy? Okay. No buts. You're like, but. So I'm about to kind of start my day. I'm going to finish up my coffee, import all the footage that I have so far, and then see how much time I have left, see what I can accomplish before I go to work. I am off mercifully for the next 2 days, and I don't plan on really going anywhere, so this is my time to get things in order and film some videos. So I'm hopeful that I'll get a package today, but I actually have a few different packages, a couple PR things, and then I did place an order for some stuff that I'm really excited about, which I'm going to film with. So yeah, I have some stuff coming. I actually ordered the Wet n Wild Pac-Man like collector's box, and I had so many points on Ulta, you guys. Like I spent very little to get a lot, so I'm really excited about that. And yeah, so I've got stuff to show you guys. It's gonna be exciting. I tried to get stuff specifically that I could use for videos. One of you guys suggested that I try out Kiko Milano. I've actually thought about ordering from Kiko before, but now they have a collection, couple different collections actually that they carry at Ulta. It's actually one that I've been intrigued by, but when I saw the new collection, I was like, whoa. So thank you for that suggestion. I don't remember who suggested it, but you were right. Kiko Milano. There's not many reviews on Ulta, so I'm excited to see how it works out, but beautiful packaging. And yeah, it looks really cool. So I'm excited to try that. So I'm going to go for now. I'm going to do a little bit of work, and then I will talk to you again before I wrap up the vlog. Hey guys, I look like garbage. I just basically did no makeup, and I didn't really care. Here's my skincare and my hair in a ponytail. But I am off the next 2 days, and that's all I'm thinking about is like what I'm gonna do with my time. So yeah, I just wasn't really concerned about it, you know? So I'm in my car. I'm just letting it like cool down. So if you hear like a lot of noise, that's just what it is. Also, are you guys playing Wizards Unite? I definitely am. If you're playing, I'll put my little code on the screen. I don't know. I don't even know like what you can do as friends on this game because I haven't really seen any like interaction or anything. So I'm curious like what that actually will mean in the future, like if they'll expand it. Oh, I just got a baby Niffler. Oh, so cute. This game is a lot like Pokemon Go, so you like go places, you have to go to the inns instead of like Pokestops, they're inns, and you get energy and you catch confoundables. So I'm a Gryffindor and I'm an Aura. So yeah, I'm like super basic when it comes to fans of Harry Potter, but yeah, it's a Harry Potter game, and that's my little person. And look, this is so funny. Let me unplug this so you can hear it. I think that's so funny. So if you're playing and you want to add me, that's my number right there. So you can screenshot it if you want to add, if you're looking for friends. I think it's more like if you're challenging together, so it may not be helpful. I don't know, but who knows. Like I know in Pokemon you can like trade stuff and send gifts to friends, so I wonder if they'll do that in the future. But at any rate, that's what I'm doing, and I need to head to work. I was like doing a couple things on that, and I packed my lunch. I won't have my break until like 5 or 6. So this is my dinner. So I'm taking a Dr. Zevia. I have a little bag of Cheetos in case I'm still hungry. And then I've got a pear, a stick of Colby Jack cheese. I boiled a couple eggs. I went ahead and like salt and peppered them. I'm gonna take out one of the yolks though. I like to eat like half the amount of yolk. Is that weird? But that's what I do. So that's some food. And then the main thing I'm gonna eat, this is really bomb. If you have an Aldi near you, this is the Whole and Simple Southwestern style chicken quinoa. It's like a bowl. So it's so good. It's got chicken, sweet potatoes, it's got the whole grains, it's got quinoa, it's got corn, black beans, but it is really, really good. So if you're ever in need of like a quick meal, I think they're about $3, maybe 4. But they are so good. Microwave them up, and I've never had anything that's microwavable that I actually thought was good, but this one is. That's my little lunch, and I need to be on the way drinking my pineapple juice as per usual. So it's time to go. I'm slowly backing out of my driveway. Don't worry, I have a lot of driveway. All right, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next week's vlog. Bye.